third of the box damage. So, you know, I don't know what to say, guys. Usually I have good experiences with bulk in general. I feel confident that once I put in all of the time that it's going to take to get the LP numbers, take the pictures, explain the damage, the spots, the missing, the whatever. I mean, that's a lot of time. But I know that BULQ will make it right. I have faith and confidence. Hey guys, Amanda here from Sell Spend Travel, and I'm back with the third of the 3-lot bulk box purchase that I made. They're doing a special right now where you buy 2 boxes, you get the third shipped free. So I wanted to hop in on that deal. All 3 boxes are supposed to be in new condition. First one not so great. Second one, yeah. And so hopefully third time's the charm, right? So here we go. So this box is apparel, bath, and beauty, and I wrote down apparel twice. So apparently there's 2 kinds of apparel. It's got 15 items in the box that paid $60 for the box plus $20 in shipping. That was the average across the 3 boxes for a total of $80 spent, which gives me a per piece price of $5.33. So let's see how we go here, how it is. Hopefully this one will be better. And here I go struggling with my scissors again. But I don't want to open it before we start recording because I want you guys to see that it's open and you're seeing it with me, not after I saw it. So, yeah, there's that side. And hopefully I can just pop up this other side here. All right, there we go. So this has got shoes in it, which I love. Shoes are one of my favorite things to list. So here we go. So right out of the gate, we've got, these are universal thread carry boots. Pretty sure I got these in a Target shoebox earlier this year, and I think this is the one pair that I haven't sold yet. Oh, actually, these are a little different. Same style, but a little different color. Can you see them okay?
Yep. What size are they?
Size 9. So those are cute and they look like they're in good shape. I like that they have a box that makes it easier for me to store. And then here we go, carry boots. So I think these might be the same color. Yep, 9.5. So that'll make it easier for listing. So I can just make one listing and do a multiple quantity. Probably should be checking the bottoms of these actually real quick. Yep, that looks good. So it looks good and clean on the bottom. And then here we go. Another pair. These are size 9 again. And these aren't wrapped up as pretty as the other ones were, but they don't show any wear on the bottom, so that's good. So I'm okay with that. One more shoebox here, another pair of carry boots, 9.5. So I've got 2 9s, 2 9.5. The box is kind of damaged on this one, but that's okay. And so there's those. Those aren't wrapped up pretty either. But let's check the bottoms. Bottoms look good. So I'm good. I'm good with that. All right. So the next we've got a little kid's onesie. This is Burt's Bees. Snug Fit 18 month. A lot of times these come in a multi-pack, so I don't know if this one was supposed to be a multi-pack or not. I don't think so. I think this was just a single. So that looks okay. I don't see any spots or anything like that right offhand on it. And then these, there should be multiples of these in here. And this is a little costume. And it's Doctors Dress Up Doc McStuffins. So, and this just says, or it says for ages 3 up, fit sizes 4 to 6X. So that's cute. That'll be good with Halloween coming up too here shortly. Before you know it, summer will be over and people will be looking for Halloween costumes. So, even though I think this is a play set and not really a costume, it could still be used as a costume. So, and this has a spot on the front. looks like. See, there's a spot right there underneath where it says Doc. So, and also spots on the sleeve. So I'll put that back here. When you so when you buy a new case from Bulk, if stuff is not in new condition or it's damaged or anything like that, you can send them an email with the LP number, which if I could find it on this real quick, I would show you, and pictures of the item and the damage to the item, and normally they'll give you some type of refund back. So this one also has a spot on it. See it there on the pocket? You see it okay? Okay. All right, so that one will also go back here in the pile. And I'll show you what an LP number looks like also on something else here. So this is an LP number. So they'll have those little stickers on them, and that's how you refer it back to the manifest. So this is a Chi Lava 1-inch volcanic lava ceramic hairstyling iron. This is one of the reasons that I bought this case, was because it had this in it, and supposedly the MSRP on this is $100. So I honestly didn't look up comp sales, so I don't know how much it's actually selling for, but that was one of the reasons I bought this box, because I've heard about these, but I've never actually gotten one. So, and this looks to be in good condition, doesn't look to be opened or anything, so that's good. And the next, this is a universal thread full zip hoodie, size XXL. And it's got little flowers on it, little daisies. And it's just a piece of thread. So there's the back. So that's cute. And it's a big size, and big sizes seem to sell faster for me than the smaller sizes. All right, then next, this is a Hanes Premium Microfiber Cool and Comfortable. It's supposed to be a 4-pack. It only looks like there's 3 in there. They were already falling out of the pack, and the pack was already open. So that'll go back here in this stack for me to reach out to Bulk about. And then left in the bottom here, I've got a bunch of boots. So these are not in the box, and they're universal thread, and you can see there on the toe, those have damage. And it's not damage that's just wiping off, it's just not a dusty spot. So those will go back in there in the pile to get reported. And these are also universal thread, size 11, women's booties. Bottoms look good on those. I don't see any scrapes or scuffs or anything like that, and they have a zip back, so that makes them easy to put on and off. All right, so those are okay. And then these are tangled up. There we go. So this is another pair like that first pair that I showed you that had the scuff on the toe, or the mark on the toe. These look like they might be all right. There we go. These are, say they have memory foam soles. That's cool. They're size 9.5. The bottoms look okay. It just looks like they got a little bit of dust or whatever on them from where they were probably in the warehouse, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. And then last but not least, there's another pair of size 11, excuse me, size 11 again, of the zip back black boots, or booties. And these look okay. They don't appear to have any damage or anything to them. Bottoms look good. So there we go. So there's those. So that looks all right. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 items. So 4 items out of this box that are damaged or have spots on them, which makes it almost a third of the box. Third of the box damaged. So, you know, I don't know what to say, guys. Usually I have good experiences with Bulk in general. I feel confident that once I put in all of the time that it's going to take to get the LP numbers, take the pictures, explain the damage, the spots, the missing, the whatever. I mean, that's a lot of time. But I know that Bulk will make it right. I have faith and confidence in them that they will. It is just really disappointing to get 3 new boxes that are advertised as new and stuff is not in new condition. I feel like they should just call it like new and call it a day, but not my business. That's theirs. So either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. Maybe it'll help you in the future when you decide what type of boxes you want to buy. I certainly can't tell you what to do with that one. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please feel free to subscribe, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, I'll be happy to answer them or reply back to you. And otherwise, have a great day. Thanks, guys.